Okay, YouTube, you're back to another video, another recap and outlook of my trades. Let me keep this I think I'll set it down right. Well, okay, now we are in fit. So today I'll be going on my outlook for the pairs I do trade. You guys know I trade GBP ADSD. ADSD came new. I bought ADSD newly. So I've been trading GBP. I've been very consistent in GBP Euro USD, and USD Swiss franc, and also the DSY for correlation. So I will start with the daily. First, I'll say how have you guys trading be. If you know your trading has been good, just type below in the comment section and tell me how it is. If it was bad, the lesson you learned, and some stuff. Told me I learned so many lessons the past weeks, and I would also like to share it with you guys. So, but first, no, that's not for the video, but let's just go straight to it because I don't want to make the video that lengthy and long. So let's just write in the video. I want to change the stuff weekly time frame. I like to see the weekly candles on my lower time frames. Okay, that's it. So right here on GBPSD, I open my chart and it came up, so I'll start with it. So right here on GBPSD, starting off from the daily time frame, you can see some marks up that I did some makeups. I did make some marks up. So starting off with GBPSD, told you that you from sell side you go to buy side, from you just deliver from buy side to sell side, from sell side to buy side, then from imbalances to from internal range liquidity to external range liquidity, from internal range liquidity imbalance to old highs or old lows. So right here on on GPSD, it came all the way from down from this low. After taking out this low, it made a low and we headed back to these old highs. This was where buy side liquidity was being resting above these old highs. And after we gave that run, after on this expansion leg to the upside, we've been given we had an FEG. You can see watch price at this imbalance. So I'm looking at price at this imbalance. So after we expanded, we took buy side liquidity and we've created another highs. You can see after we swept buy side liquidity, we had just a minor high, and that was Friday. It was not as the previous day highs, and price took the highs and expanded. Now we had these old highs. This high, why I call it a old high, was this high has been resting here and it has not been swept, so it's an old high. And we had some candle pullbacks inside the range. You can see inside the range, so it's an old high. So you can see for last week we had this week we had CPI. We had CPI on Thursday. So starting from the new week, we had Monday giving a bullish candle, Tuesday expanded, gave some bearish moves. Then Wednesday we took out Tuesday lows. Wednesday took out Tuesday lows. Then on Thursday we had some sweep of previous day low to the upside, and then on Friday we just closed bearish. So we just closed bearish without sweeping any highs. And now our previous week highs, I use both previous week highs. Our previous week highs starting off from the buy side liquidity, because that was the old high we made, and that was Tuesday. Our previous week high is on Tuesday, and our previous low is on Monday. So our previous week low, I'm putting our previous week highs. I use that. So week low is on Monday, and on at that point we have an imbalance too, resting there also. Clearing this out. This is supposed to be previous week highs, not previous low. So I made a mistake. Previous week high. Okay, back to what I was saying. So I'll be expecting more bullish movement for the next week, because I've been bullish all this. So I've been bullish from the month of September, for the month of September. I've been bullish for the month of the starting of September, first week of September, and this is like the second week of September. So price have been moving upwards. The British pounds have been strong and US dollar have been falling so down. So I'll be bullish for next week. You can see I'm bullish for next week. And also you can see Friday closed. Friday closed um Friday closed in the range, and on Friday we didn't sweep any part of liquidity, we just closed inside. So I expect bullish prices on Monday and bullish prices for next week. Taking up, you should take 1.1.35904. Yeah, that will be our next target. 1.35904. If that shouldn't be out, if we will shy away from that place, we might draw to the same balance and then maybe head up. But I feel price is heading to this buy side liquidity first before we can reverse to look at this point for an up movement. So watch price at the same balance. Watch price to trade down to the same balance, because that's where price would like to draw to. You get. So what next? If I go on H4, yeah, I want to skip that one also. So on H4, it's the same thing. Higher time frame I'm bullish. Lower on my mid time frame I'm also bullish. Then on my lower time frame too I will also be bullish. I can't go to my lower time frame because that's not an outlook. I only react to what price is giving me. I don't like trade based off limits. I react to what price is giving. I don't predict price. So we see we had sell side market structure shift to the upside. We have buy side liquidity not being taken out. That's our old highs. That's the previous week highs also. So I'm expecting price to hit this buy side liquidity and have a BMS, and we're expecting more higher prices to the upside. You can see on Tuesday, actually Thursday took out Wednesday and Tuesday lows, giving us a liquidity sweep, and we have not taken off this old high because we took our old lows. So our next target is old highs. Yeah, we took our old lows. These are not previous day lows that we took out. These are not previous day low around. So there's difference between previous week low, previous day lows, and previous day highs and old highs. For me, yeah, based on one strategy, the difference between previous day highs and previous day highs and old highs, previous day lows and old lows. There's a difference between it. This is how I go on the market and look for it. So we took our old lows, so our next target will be old highs. You get. So our next target will be old highs. I see I'm also bullish on H4. So going on to another. So also expect you guys to look for upper prices. So my entry model is AMD PO3 and liquidity sweep, previous day lows and previous day highs, and also FEG. But mostly what I do take is the setups I do take mostly every time is previous AMD PO3. That's price sweeping out Asian range liquidity, then look for either shorts or buys during non-down section or linear section. That's basically what I look for every morning I come to the chart. So go on to the next pair. I think I'll go on ADS because ADS I've been printing nice price action. You can see on GPBS we've just been consolidating on the range. So ADS have been giving me nice price action. I love the price action I'm seeing on ADS is giving this bullish momentum. And this is like hard time for us to look for more buys and more buys. I'm looking for buys on ADSD. So right here on ADSD, same thing, take out sell liquidity. As we expanded to buy side liquidity, we created an FEG also. So also watch price might actually reverse. I want to look for this place for us to move up again. So also watch price at that level, at this level. I think I can type it. Okay, watch price at this level, at this IMB imbalance. Yo, you already typed it on me. Okay, you already have it typed. So we had this bullish FEG. So after we ran our buy side liquidity, we will also be clearing buy side. We have not had any old high for the main time. We've just been taking our previous day high, previous day lows, previous day highs and previous day lows. So you see, looking for upper place. This was buy side liquidity. We just swept it, and I think we still have more highs also to for price to look up to. So you can see not too much for last week. Monday expanded, Tuesday was still giving some indecisive candles, like indecisive candle for us to revert to the downside, but no, we are still bullish. Wednesday gives some upper movement, Thursday came again, this was upper movement also. You can see Thursday also gave an upper movement to the upside, and as you can see here, Friday is known to be our previous week highs, and Monday has to be our previous week lows, because that was the previous week we had. I think on Wednesday we had some midweek expansion, midweek reversal, because Wednesday took out Tuesday lows and also took out Tuesday highs. So after taking Tuesday lows, we expanded. So we had some sweep of buy side on Friday. Thursday took out Friday highs. So I'm still expecting more buys on ADSD. Expecting more buys on ADSD. We don't have any imbalance though. So I'm expecting more buys. On H4 also, like you can see the H4 I'm bullish. There's no way I can be bullish on the higher time frame and also be bearish on the lower time frame. It doesn't happen. That's a wrong analysis. You can look for reversal trades though. It's fine if you look for reversal trades, but my outlooks has to be same thing on the lower time frame. BMS. Looking market structure. Having sell side resting below those. We have the sell side here. We have sell side there. I should mark that. That's sell side. We have sell side there. Then this I think my battery is low. God, I need to pause this today. Okay, means NY midnight open. We are still up. Again, buy side. So I'm expecting more higher prices for ADS. Well, if that be the case, we have our next one we have is USD Swiss franc. I've been bearish on that pay. I've been very bearish on that pay. So for waiting for my markup to load, I've been bearish on USD Swiss franc. After taking this buy side liquidity, price has just been dumping. After taking this buy side liquidity and taking these old highs above here, price has just been doing the worst. You can see there's buy side liquidity on two, and been dropping to the lows. I've been dropping for lower price. I've been dropping to old lows. So we have our buy side right there. Have buy side. So our new previous week high is Monday. Is it Monday? I think it's Thursday. Well, this one should wait first. So okay, I've been filming sell side also. So we took sell side liquidity, there's XL, and we had this FEG here. I say IMB watch price at this level, and you see we just hit the FEG, and also I'm looking for more downside down to this sell side liquidity resting above this low. So this is our next previous day lows. Friday is our next previous day lows, and previous day highs also. And then I'll be looking for this sell side liquidity. We're looking for both. So we have this one at 0.79104, and we have at 0.79153. So we have two sell side that I'm targeting. First I'll target the one we can hit first though before the other one. I know if we are going to hit that one also, we hit the oldest low. I know for sure. So we have sell side there. You can see price swept previous lows. That's Thursday lows. Friday took out Thursday low. We had an indecisive candle on Friday. You can see no much bodies, just weeks and weeks. So yes, no much thing. It's very simple. You can see price head to this FUG, this buy side, this sell side imbalance, and we are looking for lower prices. You can see we are looking for lower prices. Now this sell side liquidity. Very simple. Looking for lower. Then on H4, I've been framing sales also. So going on for next week, you guys should actually look for more sales. Do not go against the higher trend, the higher time frame, or the higher trend. They're always same thing. So do not go against it. Do not go against the trend. Get 4 hour also straight buy side liquidity. See, we straight buy side liquidity, and we head to that FUG I said, and you can see that an FUG also on H4 time frame. We have an FUG also on H4 time frame. The bearish imbalance on H4. So we just tap into it without getting to the consequence encroachment. So we join it to it, and now we're looking for sell side liquidity also. So being run out. Also looking for sell side. Looking for more sell side liquidity. So looking for more sell side liquidity. They are up next. Let me go on EU before I go on the XY the last. Let me go on EU. Remember, I'll start from the daily time frame. That was a higher time frame, so you start from the daily. Get boy, load up, my bro. Bro, you just load up here. Don't think for certain things. So if I should wait for my markups to show, I see there's a up movement on EU. Up movement on EU that I'm looking for. Upper movement. So zooming in into what price has been doing, what I'm looking at price. As you don't mind this, some marks up that I have might confuse you, but I know what I'm doing. I actually know. I can also break it down for you guys. See, buy side, all these blue lines, they are buy side. So do buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity. After you buy side liquidity, you have FAG with 2 buy side liquidity. We have the old lows here, price running into sell side, taking out sell side, bouncing off again, taking buy side liquidity, bouncing off again, taking sell side liquidity. Now we run up to buy side liquidity. This is our buy side liquidity here. Make sure you make that blue also. So taking buy side liquidity, return, dry down, respecting this midpoint, the midpoint of this candle here, and we ran up to buy side liquidity again. You have buy side resting up above the highs there. You have buy side there. Then so take this off, take this off also. See, now we are after buy, we are taking buy side liquidity, so we are bullish. Oh God, why network is doing this to me? Okay, we are back. So we're taking buy side liquidity now. They had an FUG also. I didn't actually see that. I was not looking at EU item for a while. So we had this imbalance with us hit also. You can see price traded to it, and we've been it down. We did some dirty things on Thursday. Price have been taking Okay. So after taking buy side liquidity, we've been expanding to the upside. We expanded to the upside. Um, we had Monday making an expansion, Tuesday making some classic expansion to the downside. You can see Tuesday took out Monday has some classic expansion to the downside. That's a sweep. Then we had Tuesday taking out Monday highs, right? Kick down to one, kick down to black. So see price are just then on Wednesday and Thursday price ran out previous day lows. So Thursday took out Wednesday lows. So Thursday took out Wednesday lows. Now what we have is we have also Thursday taking out Friday highs. Friday taking out Thursday highs, sorry. Now our new previous day lows and previous day highs on Friday. Yeah, because I get on to the next week. So as I told you, on Thursday was CPI, so on Thursday we manipulated and took out Wednesday lows, the price made a high, then Friday taking out Thursday highs. So I'm expecting buy side liquidity to be round out, because we are coming out from a bullish FEG, so I'm expecting higher prices also. Coming out from this buy side imbalance and sell side inefficiency. That is too hard to see, my bro. Very hard to see, but ICT brought us so many gems. So you need to just pick the one that suits you. So, but these are very key in trading liquidity. So do not actually forget them. So don't forget their what do they even call themselves? So the abbreviation also, yeah, the abbreviation. So we're coming out from this daily FEG and we are heading to the upside. If I go on forward also, these are the major specs. I showed you the major specs: GU, ADSD, USD fast and bearish, because that's why it's giving us a bearish movement. So I see GU, EU that was buried. That's why I can see I didn't actually do. I was not more focused in E, because of we are bearish. I was not more focused on E because we are bearish. I was looking at GU and ADS because ADS was bullish. So I had to look more on that more than EU. I think that is fine. So EU we are still bearish. I may not touch EU for a while. I'm not sure I'm going to touch EU for a while. I will not touch EU. I'll let you do this thing until we turn bullish right here. But I feel like I have a feeling that it's not like I have a feeling. I think we just have liquidity for higher prices. Because this lows, you can see this low resting at this point failed to drop at 0.5% of that range. I should drop my fib range also. You can see trader price automatic entry. So if I do my fib calculation, you can see from this low, okay, let me say this low supported this. You can see this, okay, this low supported this. So let me use this one also from this high to this low. You see price didn't come to 0.5%. So I think that low will act as liquidity for us to push more right, but we are outside the range. There's what I call inside the range and outside the range. When I mean outside the range is when we take old highs at FEG at daily time frame. So when that happens, I'm outside the range. So as I'm outside the range, I will know this as a liquidity sweep. Yeah, I'll take that as a liquidity sweep. But now I'm bearish on EU, but we're trying to reverse. You can see we are trying to reverse. That's why we head to that bullish FEG for upper movement. So I'm looking for more bullish prices next week. You get, and also including that also we have liquidity sweep right here. Thursday taken out USD lows. We have some liquidity supply here. Oh, I will mount that. I want to go. I want to go. I want to go against my trade plan and some stuff I do. So I want to go against them. Then on this why the last EU. I won't be touching EU. That I won't be touching EU. I will not be touching EU as well. Yeah. Maybe I can look for. I'm very disciplined. I won't touch you till we are bullish. I won't touch you till we are bullish. Till we are also aligning with the DSY. I won't touch you till we are bullish. Trading, you just have to follow your plan. You know it's a business. You put in money to make. We put in money into this, so it's a business. So anything that concerns you putting money into something, you know that you've invested something in it, like you're buying a property, some stuff like that. So this way you are putting our money inside it and putting our energy, our time. So we need to be very disciplined in chat in our business. So if on the other part, as of me last time, I want to like touch it, you maybe look for shorts also. You know, some things, but I think I'll leave you to do what you want to do till we are bullish. Until the DSY tell me we are bearish, until the DSY tell me we are bullish, then I can do bearish movement for you. That's so simple. So I'm correlating a DSY with the major pairs. If my network should come, so listen, open up my bro. So why on DSY? I have nothing much on DSY. We are still bearish. So as DSY is bearish, other major pairs are giving bullish prices, are giving bullish presence. So other pairs are bullish. So I'm looking for. I don't actually trade. I don't trade DXY. I don't trade JSY. I just use it for a form of information. You get. I use it for information to myself. So you have sell side liquidity resting below those lows. So I'm presuming them sell side liquidity. Sell side equal. Sell liquidity then. On the daily, you can see we are bearish already, so I don't even need more explanation on DSY. But I know that we're already bearish. Very, very known to all that we are bearish on DSY. So if you guys want to check my recap, my trade recap I took during the week, I posted it yesterday, so you guys can watch my trade recap. I want to actually make this will actually be for only weekly outlook, so you can look at my old trade, you can look at my previous video that I did. So that's where I recap my trade I took, and I lost two trades. I lost two trades in one day. Yeah, I lost two trades in one day. I was trying to reverse G and ADSD, but it didn't work out the way I saw it. So lesson learned already. So right here on DSY, you can see you can see actually price displacing, like this was NFP. I feel like it's on NFP, but on other major pair I just showed you, you can see we had some bullish FEG, bullish imbalance on displacement on the major pairs, and same thing here on DSY. We have bearish FEG here, and price head to it, and we are tanking down to the sexual liquidity first before taking sexual liquidity. This is almost the same thing we get this Swiss franc. We have the sexual liquidity resting, and also an older sexual liquidity. So we need to hit this first. Need to hit this first before I think this will act as previous week lows. Yeah. Need to take out this previous week low first before we head to this one also. So this was our no previous day low, previous day highs. Okay, now let's zoom. So to more talks to you guys that have been watching my videos and also liking and supporting me also. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is how I navigate and also analyze my charts and give myself some trade setups. I don't look at other people. I don't take signals from other groups or gurus or anyone. I analyze my trades by myself. I analyze my chart by myself and take trades based on my analysis. I'm just 18 years old. I'm just 18, and I want to try to do all my best to make sure that I'm coming out at the top. I want to live average. So I'm trying my best to learn and also give you guys some good information. I can actually teach you guys this in next, like, how I navigate my markets in 7 days and 10 days, even in one day. One day is one day possible. I don't know, but what I'm actually doing here came from consistency. I'm 1 year and 1 month trading ICT. So my 2 years, okay, 1 year and a half in forex trading. I've been using some different price action, chart patterns, and some support and resistance. And I was not actually seeing progress in it. So I learned ICT by myself. Took so many hours of video, burned some hours of videos. Like if I show my PC, if I should open my files, there are some many lengthy videos, long videos that I've been watching. ICT videos, 222 models and TT trades, market maker models, and other things. I've been giving myself some forms of information, and it has been helping me. So if you're out there feeling like things are not working, your strategy is not working, bro, your strategy is just working. Just have to work on yourself. I might have a good strategy or a good approach to the market, and my psychology and my emotions might naturally not be good. So you guys out there, do your best, try all your best to learn and unlearn also. In this trading, there is so much amount of risk in it. There's so much amount of risk. I can also say to you guys for free that I'm facing drawdowns on my accounts. Like, I'm on drawdowns on my accounts, huge drawdowns, like very huge drawdowns. After passing phase one of my furtherness, the rest has just been drawdowns. And I've learned my mistakes. I've learned the mistake on why my account have been on drawdowns. Yes, they're all journal on my trade journal in Notion. So all my trades I take, I journal them. Same thing also. Any trade you take, journal it. Do not hesitate. Do not hesitate to journal your trade. They are very, 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 very important. Very important, to be honest. They are so important. So journal your trades and apply good risk when taking trades. Apply good risk when you are taking your trades. Because all trades are under probability. You just how you put on those risks. But you can also increase your risk, but in a very responsible way. When you can increase it, when skills is in applied, knowledge and confidence, then you can increase your risk. You can't just take trade and you're not confident of that trade, will actually go to your target. So if you want to increase risk in a very appropriate way, you should add skills, knowledge and confidence to it. So I'm going to show you guys my notion on how the month have been. I think I've taken 4 losses for this month and 1 break even. 4 losses for this month and 1 break even. I think so. 4 losses for the month and 1 break even. So that's it for the guys. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. comment below your best pair you like to trade, and if I should open a Telegram group or a Discord channel for you guys, so you can come in as a traders and discuss the markets, about the markets and the financial space. Thank you guys. Bye.